This video covers registering drones in DroneLogbook's Inventory section. The Drone tab of the Inventory section is where information about drones is stored. The inventory stored in this section is used to populate pull-downs in other sections of DroneLogbook. On the landing page, you can find the button to add a drone. Click it to get started. You'll be taken to the pop-up window where you can enter or edit information about the drone. The first field to fill in is the name. This is the name you assign to your drone, and it can be anything you want. You'll note that the box is in blue. Blue denotes mandatory fields in DroneLogbook. Fields in gray are optional. Next is the legal identification box. This is used for those jurisdictions that issue a registration number for each drone. Next, you can select the status for the drone: airworthy, meaning currently in use; maintenance, meaning currently undergoing maintenance and not flying; or retired, meaning no longer in use. The brand model fields allow for the manufacturer model to be added by the user by typing in the information or using our pre-populated fields for the most popular suppliers. Fill in the drone type and serial numbers and hit Next. Here you'll enter a configuration. DroneLogbook has schematics for many types of drones. Having the schematic for each drone is important for establishing common reference points when discussing the drone, such as when having maintenance done by a third party. Finally, enter details for the purchase date, firmware and hardware, and weight, which will be used in the future to calculate takeoff weight, and then click Add. This information will be displayed on the main page. You can click the Edit button for each drone to access the pop-up window where you can edit the drone's information. Use the Filter button to change what drones are displayed based on their status. Now, in other parts of DroneLogbook, for example in flights, when assigning a drone, all the drones you've registered in inventory will automatically appear in the drop-down menu. Additionally, you can attach documents to each drone you save in DroneLogbook. Access this feature through the Actions menu of the drone you want to attach a document to. Give the document a name, an expiration date, and choose a document type. Choose the file to upload and add notes if you want, then hit Save. The document is now accessible on the Drone Details page. You can also append documents to a drone from this page by clicking on the Add Document button. As with other documents on DroneLogbook, alerts will appear on your dashboard 30 days before the document's expiration date.